Hello everyone, today I will show you how to split a table in Google Docs. Open your Google Docs file. Now I will split this table. We will split this table two ways. First way, select your table raw area and simply drag the table raw. This table already split and delete this blank raw. This table is split. And second way is select this table raw area and select card and select your paste area. This table already pasted here and simply select this to belong row and delete. So we get to row. This. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.